It's no secret that China has rapidly become a global powerhouse when it comes to technological innovation. Over the past few decades, the nation has transformed itself from a predominantly agrarian society to a cutting-edge leader in fields like artificial intelligence, telecommunications, and e-commerce. This meteoric rise can be attributed to several factors such as massive investments in research and development, favorable government policies, and an insatiable domestic market for new tech products. But what does this mean for the rest of the world? In this video, we'll explore China's growing tech monopoly and how its newfound status as a leading innovator is changing the game. We'll delve into key areas where Chinese companies are dominating their Western counterparts, think Huawei versus Apple or Alibaba versus Amazon, and examine the strategies they've employed to gain such a significant edge. Additionally, we'll discuss the potential implications of this shift on international relations, particularly with regard to trade and intellectual property disputes. There's a lot to unpack as we navigate through China's unprecedented ascent toward becoming the world's preeminent technological superpower. Let's talk about China's chip manufacturing industry and chip design industry. They've been making some major strides lately. Let's see what they're doing to gain an innovation advantage. Remarkably, China's chip manufacturing industry has experienced exponential growth over the past few years, rapidly becoming a leading player in the global market. This sector is now pushing boundaries and challenging norms with its continuous advancements in technology and strategic government support. Expansion of domestic production capabilities not only bolsters self-reliance, but also sets the stage for increased global competitiveness. Furthermore, international partnerships have helped to propel Chinese semiconductor companies into new realms of innovation advantage that would have been unimaginable just a decade ago. Undeniably, this burgeoning industry showcases China's tech monopoly on the rise as it continues to reshape the world's technological landscape. As China's chip manufacturing industry continues to gain momentum, so too does its chip design sector. In fact, Chinese semiconductor companies are now leading the way in cutting-edge chip designs and intellectual property development. This remarkable progress can be credited not only to strong government support, but also to collaborations with international partners that have accelerated innovation and strengthened the overall ecosystem of this vital industry. It's clear that China's commitment to accelerating its chip design capabilities is paving the way for a more dominant presence on the global stage, while simultaneously fostering domestic self-reliance and competitiveness. One significant example of China's tech prowess is the social media platform TikTok. Its parent company, ByteDance, has successfully managed to create a global sensation by combining AI algorithms with short-form video content. This blend of technology and creativity has helped the app amass over 2 billion downloads worldwide. TikTok's success can be attributed to its highly engaging format and user-friendly interface. The app allows users to easily create and share videos while incorporating various visual effects and popular music tracks. Additionally, its algorithm tailors each user's feed based on their preferences, ensuring they see content that interests them. The rise of TikTok demonstrates China's innovation advantage in the sphere of social media platforms. It shows that Chinese companies are capable of competing at a global level when it comes to creating impactful products that resonate with users across different cultures around the world. In a world where TikTok has taken over the social media landscape, it's impossible not to notice the driving forces behind China's tech monopoly. The unstoppable rise of Chinese entrepreneurs plays an integral role in their pursuit of innovation advantage. These ambitious risk-takers are responsible for creating globally competitive products and services that have disrupted traditional industries. They're fueled by a desire to succeed on an international scale and armed with government support, making them a formidable force in today's global market. As we've observed through the success of TikTok, these entrepreneurs aren't afraid to push boundaries or challenge established norms in order to make their mark. The true power of these innovative minds lies in their ability to adapt quickly and learn from both successes and failures. This resilient mindset allows them to continually evolve as they navigate the ever-changing terrain of technology and business landscapes worldwide. It is this relentless drive that positions China at the forefront of technological advancements, ensuring its place as a dominant player within the global economy for years to come. One major advantage of China's tech industry is the sheer size of its consumer market. With a population of over 1.4 billion people, Chinese companies have access to an unparalleled pool of potential customers. Another key factor behind China's innovation advantage is the strong government support and strategic investments in cutting-edge technologies. This has led to rapid advancements in areas like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and renewable energy. In addition, Chinese firms are known for their agility and adaptability when it comes to meeting changing consumer demands. Fierce domestic competition pushes these companies to continually innovate and refine their product, helping them stay ahead on the global stage. Like a beehive buzzing with activity, the sheer size of China's population provides an immense advantage in its quest for technological supremacy. With over 1.4 billion people, it boasts not only a vast consumer market, but also an enormous talent pool from which to draw innovative minds and skilled workers. This combination fuels both demand for cutting-edge products and services, as well as the supply of dedicated professionals eager to create them. Furthermore, China's government actively encourages educational pursuits in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM) fields. As a result, millions of young Chinese students graduate each year with degrees that equip them for careers in these sectors. Consequently, this continuous flow of skilled laborers contributes significantly to maintaining the momentum behind China's innovation engine. An often overlooked aspect is the influence of the massive Chinese diaspora around the world who bring their knowledge and expertise back home after studying or working abroad. These individuals undoubtedly enrich China's tech ecosystem by fostering international collaborations and spurring domestic innovations through exposure to foreign ideas and practices. Thus, leveraging its gigantic population strategically positions China at the forefront of global advancements in technology and solidifies its status as a formidable powerhouse on the world stage. In the land of dragons and dynasties, a new force has risen to capture the world's attention. The Middle Kingdom is now at the forefront of technological innovation, boasting an empire that extends from its thriving chip industry to TikTok's global domination. It seems as if China has unlocked the secret recipe for success in this digital age. At the heart of this tech renaissance lies a fearless generation of Chinese entrepreneurs who are unafraid to push boundaries and embrace change. These trailblazers have breathed new life into their homeland, bestowing upon it a wealth of advantages that few can rival. As we stand witness to such prowess, one cannot help but feel inspired by these titans of technology. But perhaps what truly sets China apart is its most valuable asset, a vast population teeming with potential. With over 1.4 billion souls driving progress forward, there appears to be no limit to what they can achieve together. So let us raise our glasses, or should I say smartphones, in honor of China's remarkable ascent. May they continue to soar ever higher on wings of innovation.